My Halloween pillows, y'all. Let's open this up. It's really packaged well. Oh my gosh. They are so stinking cute. Little hocus pocus, guys. It's 1, 2. And the quality is really good. Oh my god, my couch is gonna be so cute. No, upside down. If you don't know, I like Halloween. Autumn is my favorite time. Oh, this is the other one. Upside down. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Isn't it cute, guys? I'm off to a good start. See what else I got here. So I'm doing a coffee station, and I'm hoping that this is the right keg for my coffee station. Let's see here. Oh, okay. So if you guys need a coffee mug for Hamilton Beach, I think that's her name, Hamilton Beach. Yes. I had to get a replacement because I broke my other one. But look at that. Brand new. Didn't need to purchase a whole new coffee maker. I just wanted to get a replacement cup. So, yeah. Let's see what else is in here. Let me sit that there so I done broke it. I forgot what this was. These are probably more cups I ordered to make iced coffee. Yep. I'll put it at my station. So you can order these cups, guys, if you want to make iced coffee. You can order like they do at the Starbucks. It's just the little things that makes me happy. Let's see, I think I have another one. Yep. And this should be a whole set of these. I got them in black. Yep. And I got some straws in here. And I got some sleeves to go with the cup. This is one of my biggest pet peeves at Starbucks. They would never have any sleeves, so I have my own sleeves. And it got lids to go with it. I do have one more item. I opened the package already because I was really, really excited. Give me 1 second. So I ordered some Halloween pictures to hang up near my coffee station and here in the room. I think they're so cute, but I'm going to show you guys the pictures. Oh, they're so cute. I think I got 6 photos. I'll try to put where I ordered these pictures from. Isn't that adorable? Another one. The quality is really good, guys. Like, it's like that. This is my favorite one. One of my favorites. When I seen this one's too scary. Like, why does it look like this is super scary? Like, does it look like you got teeth or something? It's not as happy, guys. Yeah, I showed you guys this one, I think. That's my Halloween pictures. I think I'm off to a good start. And then I have some little gadgets, little things I can sit on my coffee station. They're like little tier tray items. Isn't that cute? And then you got these little things here I saw, and you just put this down like that. Uh-oh. All right, let's find another one. I might have to get the other one. It's not right. It is all right. It ain't a video if you ain't keeping it real. Right, you put that in there like that. And you sit your little sign on there. Just like that. How cute. And here's another one. I think they're so adorable. Well, guys, we're at the end. This is it of my beginner fall haul. Until next time, subscribe and come follow me.